Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Arthur Volpe. I'm your host. And today, as usual, when I record these sorts of things, I'll be your SAT tutor. So, what kind of problem do we have today, family? We have an inequality problem, but this is one of the harder ones, and I think you'll see why very soon. They're asking for the value of an expression, 12h minus 4, and they give us a range of values. That range of values is meant to trick you. It's meant to get you to solve a range of values normally. In this problem, you do not want to do that. You will get the answer, but it'll be quite inefficient. So follow my method instead, okay? Uh, so they're giving us an expression. On the SAT, if they give you the value of an expression, they're asking for the value of that expression, and they give you an equation or an inequality, the likelihood that you need to manipulate the first one or the first equation that they give you is extremely high. So let's start by manipulating what we currently have so that it can look like 12h minus 4. And I'll show you exactly how. So first, we're going to multiply everything by 9. The reason why is because if we multiply by 9, this becomes 36. This becomes 3. 36 divided by 3 is 12. That gives us 12h. This negative 4 will come in soon. So let's go ahead and do that first. We have, here's a pen. All right, so first we're going to multiply everything by 9. So we have to multiply every single piece by 9. So 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. We already know that this is going to be 36. 36 divided by 3 is 12. 1/6 times 9 is 9/6, which simplifies down to 3/2. And then 1 times 9 is just 9. So what we're going to do now is the following. We're going to subtract this from both sides so we can get this 12h on its own. And to do that, it would be easier if we just turn this into a decimal. So 12h plus 1.5 is less than 9 and greater than negative 27. Here's where the fun part comes in, right? We're going to subtract the 1.5. This becomes 7.5. This becomes just 12h. This becomes negative 27. And finally, to complete our expression, we're going to subtract everything by negative 4. Clever, huh? This is the manipulation that is a little tricky. Not many people think to do that sort of thing. So, we never subtracted the 1.5 from this side. So negative 27 minus 1.5 is going to be negative 28.5. So negative 28.5 minus 4 is negative 32.5. Okay? We set it equal to 12h minus 4. We set it equal to, this is going to be equal to 3. So now we need a value between this and this. Before you go and put negative 1 for this, because it technically does fit, keep something in mind. On gridded response questions, you are not allowed to use negatives. So rather than using a negative number like negative 1, let's just use 0. I mean, 0 works here. 0 is less than 3, but it is greater than negative 32.5. So 12h minus 4 is equal to 0, or at least it's a possible value. You could also put 1/3 or something like that. That would work as well. Anyways, it's been real. It's been fun as usual. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next lesson. Have a great night and take care. Okay? Bye.